So I have an update for us. They put the boat in the water yesterday, Thursday. So she is all done. Hooray, way to go, Edwards Boatyard. So today is Friday before Memorial Day, and Mary and I are going to pick up the boat. Now, she's not plugged in right now, so I'm not sure how we're going to fire up the engines. I do have a 100-foot extension cord, which may be able to reach some power from whatever slip they have her in, but there's no power at the slip that she's in. So we're going to get there tonight, maybe 5:30 after work, 5:36. Have about an hour of light, which is plenty of time to move her over to our slip in Stanbury. But the first thing we need to do is try to fire up those engines. They did not take her on a big trip or anything. All they did was make sure the engines were working and moved her over. So that makes me a little nervous, but we're not really going anywhere this weekend. I will update you as to what our plan is as we go along. Hey friends, as I said before, they put the boat in the water yesterday. It is Friday before Memorial Day, and the Admiral and I have now come to Edwards Marina to pick up the boat, which is right over there. And so we're going to grab it. Hopefully the engines start. We may have to charge the batteries up to get the starter batteries to work for the engines. But the intention is for us to fire those things up. Mary will take the car back to Stanbury, and hopefully I don't sink on the way from here to Stanbury. All right, we've hooked up the electric just barely. It was perfect, actually. We made it all the way there, and we're charging the batteries. I'm going to try to start them now. I'm going to try to start the engines. All right. Fingers crossed. Admiral. All right, we're going to try this one. Oh, I got nothing. Oh, I didn't turn on the starter batteries. Starter batteries are on. Let's hope they didn't miss anything major. Okay. All right, 1 out of 2. That sounds really good, actually. It sounds very smooth. So the port sounds really good. The starboard hasn't started yet. Okay, I think it's a battery issue, so I'm gonna do the battery parallel guy. It's called a guy, right here, and try to start the engine at the same time. And film. Oh. Okay, it's rocking and rolling, but it doesn't sound right.
All right, are you ready?
Am I ready? I guess I'm ready. That's good. All right, toss it over. Great.
All right. See you at home.
Yep.
At boat home.
And we're off. There's Martin State Airport right there. I'm really tempted to take her up on plane right here because I could, but I got crap everywhere. I'm a little nervous. I don't want to press my luck. I'm alone. Mary's waiting for me at Stanbury. So we're just gonna putz along for now, and maybe on Sunday, if the weather clears up, we'll take her out. My initial impression is the engines sound really good. They sound smooth, which maybe that's a combination of they're getting more, they don't have as much blockage as they did before with the manifolds and risers, and maybe also new spark plugs, which the boat is, we've had the boat for 5 years. I haven't changed the spark plugs. I actually should have asked them when they changed out the spark plugs if there were any that were burnt. I didn't ask them that question, but I need to. What a crappy Memorial Day. I mean, the official start of summer, unofficial start of summer like this. But I'm thankful that we are taking the boat back. It's such a happy place for me. I mean, the wind must be really coming down the middle river, so this might be hard to get this sucker in. I'll show you with my camera, with my phone. Oh, we're turning down there. Man, never a dull moment. I mean, this is like boat wake back here. It's gonna push us towards the slip very quickly. I mean, I can't believe it. I've never seen it like this here. Some of you will remember that Mary and I got caught out with a full moon several years ago by Hart Miller Island, which is out there, and the water was rushing in, and this looks very, very similar. So I think I need to pick up the phone and call Mary because we got to be prepared for this. I'm nervous about getting this boat in the slip. If it's like this, maybe I'm gonna go to the fuel dock. All right, I mean, this is nuts, I'm telling you. Nuts. All right, I gotta call Mary. There's goose poop on the dock. The boat on the inside is kind of a mess down below. I'll show it to you. Look at this. We're sleeping here tonight. Feel this? But baby, we're back. We're floating. Yes. It's Memorial Day weekend. The weather sucks, and this is still awesome. I think you know what I mean. Welcome back, Eternity Shore. Welcome back. Okay, so the boat is a mess, but we are back, baby. We are back. We're on the water.
Woohoo!
There's a lot of work to do, but we're on the water. We're floating. You can hear the water floating. Yay! Yay! Yay!